We guide you through how to get your Messenger link for your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook page and make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Then look for the message or chat button on your page and click it to open Messenger. Once Messenger is open, check the URL in your browser and you will see a link that usually looks like m.me slash your page name. That is your direct Messenger link if you want another way. Go to your page settings, find the username section, and make sure your page has a username because your Messenger link is based on that username. For example, if your username is your brand, then your link will be m.me slash your brand. You can now copy that link and use it anywhere link in your bio, post, or even ads so people can message you instantly without searching your page. And that's it.